Hey everyone, Johnny from Alchemy Audio here. Today's Payday Tones $60 special is a clone of the Mr. Black Tiger Boost. Op-amp bass boost, plenty of gain on tap, starts to get real gritty and nasty as you increase the volume, as you'll hear. We played the clean tone, we played it with the volume on a minimum setting. Let's goose it up a bit and keep playing. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Get in touch if you like what you heard. This is our way of saying thanks for supporting us on social media. This can be yours for $60 shipped anywhere in the US. Thanks for watching.